Tyrese Campbell is a 21-year-old professional footballer who plays as a forward for Stoke City. Campbell began his career with Manchester City's academy before turning down the chance to turn professional with the club in the summer of 2016. He instead signed a contract with Stoke City. Campbell made his professional debut on the 24th of February 2018 in a 1-1 draw at Leicester City in the Premier League. He made a further 3 substitute appearances towards the end of the 2017-2018 season as Stoke suffered relegation to the EFL Championship. In January of 2019, he was loaned to Shrewsbury for the remainder of the EFL League One season. Campbell played 15 times for the Shrews, scoring 5 goals, helping them to secure League One safety. Campbell began the 2021 season in good form. He scored 7 goals and provided 5 assists in 19 appearances for Stoke City. However, he suffered a season-ending knee injury against Cardiff City in December. Tyrese Campbell is the son of Kevin Campbell, a former professional footballer who played for Arsenal, Everton, Nottingham Forest and West Bromwich Albion. Campbell has also represented England at the under-16, under-17 and under-20 levels.